Hi, in this video I will show you how to put multiple pictures on one Instagram post. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So first thing we have to do, we have to create an Instagram post by typing the plus sign, plus icon with the plus sign on the bottom of your screen. Then choose creating post and choose pictures you would like to share. Okay, so let's just say that I will choose this one picture. And the next step is you have to click on the icon under the picture with the multiple rectangles. So just click on that icon and then choose the next pictures you would like to add to your post. Okay, then tap on the next on the top right of your screen, and you can use actually some effects on your post, okay, to make it looking better. And this is how you can put multiple pictures on one Instagram post. And then just put on the next and share it with your friends. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. Thanks, bye.